How often to change cabin air filter? Your car is your personal sanctuary, but did you know that the air inside your vehicle could be harming your health? Your cabin air filter plays a critical role in keeping the air inside your car fresh and clean. The cabin air filter is a pleated unit that traps contaminants like pollen, dirt, and allergens before they enter the cabin of your car. A dirty cabin air filter not only reduces the filter's ability to clean the incoming air but also makes your vehicle's HVAC system work significantly harder. But, how often should you change your cabin air filter? According to most car manufacturers, it's recommended to change the cabin air filter between 15,000 and 30,000 miles. If you drive through dusty environments, then the cabin filter should be replaced every 10,000 miles. Truth is, many car owners neglect this essential component of their vehicle, but replacing it at intervals will help keep you and your passengers safe and healthy. However, you should also refer to your car owner's manual for specific recommendations. As far as costs, on average, expect to pay between $30 to $70 for a cabin air filter replacement. And it's a simple DIY job that you can do in minutes. First, locate the filter, which is typically behind the glove box, under the hood, or under the dashboard. Remove the old filter and replace it with a new cabin filter designed for your vehicle. Regularly replacing your cabin air filter will not only improve the air quality inside your car, but also reduce wear and tear on your vehicle's HVAC fans. So, remember to check on your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or as recommended by your car owner's manual, and drive happy and healthy. For more automotive news and tips, be sure to check out mycarvoice.com. And if you're in the market for a used or new car, be sure to use our Vehicle Reliability Reports tool to help you find a dependable vehicle.